Okay, you guys, we're going to learn how to balance our flute and hold it properly. So the first thing you need to know is where the thumb keys are. So if I'm looking at the keys and I turn it this way, you'll see some keys right here. And that is where your left thumb is going to go. This one is called circle key. This one's called long key. And if you press circle key, it presses down the long key, right? But sometimes we'll only press the long key. So you need to be aware of these. Circle key, long key. Okay. Now your left hand is going to make a chair. And your chair goes kind of like this. And the flute is actually going to rest right here on your finger, on your first finger. So there's 3 balance points. One is the chair finger, and the other is your right thumb. And then you've got your embouchure right here. Okay, so 3 balance points for the flute. So your chair finger is what we start with. So this is your first finger, and I'm going to put it right between, my chair goes right between these 2 keys. So I'm going to put that chair right here. Here it is from the back. I'm just kind of cradling my flute like that. And I have to do it far enough down on my palm so that I can reach this key, this first key. So how you know where to put your first key or first finger down is you skip one, put your chair, and then put it right here. That's 1. Okay, then you're going to skip another one and put 2 down. Then 3 is right next door. Okay, and my left thumb is right by these keys. Your left pinky will operate this guy. Okay, remember this is all my left hand. Here's my chair finger from one side. My flute is resting right here on the palm, and the chair goes between this key and this key. Here's another angle at it. You can see my flute is resting on that finger, okay? And my pinky's not in a good place right now, but you can see that chair finger really good. All right, let's look at that left hand. So I'm skipping the top key. My chair finger goes between the top key and my first finger. So my chair is right there. Here's finger 1, skip 1, finger 2, and finger 3. And my pinky will operate this key. Notice that all my fingers are at a slightly downward angle. So you want to slightly slant your fingers like that. Okay, let's talk about right hand. We've got our left hand down, so hold your left hand on there. Right hand, we've got that left pinky key. We're going to skip 2. Skip 2 and put 1 down. That's finger 4. Then finger 5 is right next door, and finger 6 is right next to that. Okay? Your pinky is going to operate this key. This is that right pinky key. Okay, now let's talk about your thumb. Your thumb should go between fingers 4 and 5. Right underneath your flute. See how mine is straight? It's not like to the side or sticking out. You want to thumbprint the bottom of your flute. So put that thumbprint right between fingers 4 and 5. Thumbprint just like that. All right, check out my right hand. I skipped 2, and then here's finger 4, 5, and 6. And my right pinky operates these keys down here. Okay, here's another angle of my right hand. Here's finger 4, 5, and 6. And my thumb here is fingerprinting the bottom of my flute between fingers 4 and 5. So make sure that it goes straight between those 2 fingers. It isn't turned on its side or too far up. Okay, let's review where all of the fingers go now. So our first finger with our left hand, the chair goes between these 2 keys. Right here, hard to see. Okay, chair goes there. And remember, it's holding my flute up real close to the palm. And I'm curling that finger around. I'm skipping 1 and pressing 1. Skipping 1, then pressing 1 with 2. Skipping 1, or not skipping 1, just pressing 1 with 3. Okay, so there's my left hand. My right hand, I'm skipping 2, pressing 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, and right pinky goes here. My right thumb goes between fingers 4 and 5 like a thumbprint. Okay, time to balance your flute. So remember, the 3 balance points are your lip plate on your embouchure, your chair finger, and your right thumb between fingers 4 and 5. Let me scoot back so you can see. I'm going to scoot over. Here we go. So I should be able to hold my flute, balance with no fingers pressing. I got my chair, my right thumb, and my embouchure. And see how I'm holding my fingers close? I want you to try that. Okay, now go ahead and squeeze your fingers down. It's easier to hold it like that. But really, you need to practice balancing it with just your 3 balance points. Okay? So let's try that again. These are like flute push-ups. So your embouchure, your chair finger, your right thumb. And curl those fingers around. Good. See if you can see the back here. Now, I want your fingers to look like kind of a flat C shape. That is going to be the easiest thing. Just like in finger exercises, you're going to lift it straight up and straight back down. So let's try some finger exercises while balancing our flute. Okay, don't use that left thumb. Make sure it's fluting. Okay, and let's put everything down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pinky's floating. Left thumb is floating. Okay? Pick up 1. Put down 1. Pick up 2. Put down 2. See how my flute is straight parallel to the ground? Keep yours like that. Pick up 3. Put down 3. Pick up 4. Put down 4. Pick up 5. Put down 5. Pick up 6. Put down 6. You made it. Okay, a little more challenge. Pick up 1. Pick up 2. Pick up 3. Pick up 6. Put down 2. Pick up 5. Put down 6. Pick up 4. Pick up 2. Pick up 4. Pick up 6. Sorry. Ooh, can you bounce? Can you bounce? Keep those fingers close. And all 6 down. Good job. Okay, so you should practice balancing your flute like that every day. And when you can't drop it, and when you don't drop it anymore, then that's when you're ready.